And you want to try 3 batteries?
What?
3 batteries?
What?
Yeah.
No.
No, 3 batteries in Monster Jeep.
Yeah.
Just don't tell your mom. That's right.
Daddy,
Buddy.
can we do snowballs?
No, it's too icy.
Oh.
It doesn't make good snowballs. Doesn't make good snowballs.
I didn't make it snowballs. I know. Mom, do like this?
No, she doesn't like it, but we'll put your seatbelt on.
What?
What? We're just going to try 3 batteries.
No, not unless you wear the seatbelt
He
and a
will.
helmet.
He said.
I go rusty.
And a helmet?
No.
That's a secret right there.
What did he say?
It's a seatbelt, I suspect.
That's what I'm gonna wear.
Okay, hold on.
What about a helmet?
Nah, I don't think.
Are you warm enough?
Yeah.
We'll go in a few minutes.
I just got a hat on.
Alright, you keep that hat on.
Okay.
Okay, let's get your seatbelt on.
Let Daddy pull you out off of this hill first.
Hold on.
Or go slow, or...
Oh, hopefully your big fat body will be...
Did you pull that off Cozy Coat? Honey,
Okay.
I don't think...
Hold on.
You can hardly move.
No, that's the whole idea.
Take it on now.
Hold on, not yet. I have to turn the camera on. Here, try slow speed. No, you're stuck. Hold on. You got caught in the grooves. I'll give you a little push. Put it in high speed. Hey, you can't. We gotta put some spikes in it. That won't work, Mom. No. Your mom's a goof nut. Let go of him. Gotta put some screws in his tires. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, picture. Don't run over your mom! No. Push you where? Okay, that's enough.
No, you're not crashing Mommy.
Yeah, don't run into Mommy.
Hey, Daddy.
No! Look out!
That way, Daddy.
That's some nice driving.
Stop the gas there, boy. Wood, get in first.
Yeah, look out. Nice. Nice donut.
It's a good skid pattern.
No, not yet. About time to go in.